Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language. Get off welfare and get a job.
Okay. Hello?
Get off welfare and get a job.
Who is this?
Hi, Jennifer. Get off welfare and get a job.
Hello?
Get off welfare and get a job.
What?
Get off welfare and get a job.
Someone just called us on payphone.
Hello?
Why did you do that? Okay, I'm sorry. Now, what's going on?
Get off welfare and get a job. Bitch.
I really can't hear you.
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly.
This is Harpo's. It's a bar. Are you looking for someone here?
This is Jenny's restaurant.
There's $3 wells if you want to come. It's really fun.
Get off welfare and get a job. Bitch.
What?
Bitch. You're fucking retarded. Your mom is
I'm sorry. I cannot hear you.
What do they want? They're taking up your precious time.
You know what?
I'm sorry. I need to get back to getting drunk. I'm sorry.
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language.
Hello?
Oh, the lunatic is on the phone again.
Hello?
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Get off welfare and get a job. We know who you are.
I'm actually call. Hello, this is Harpo's. I can help you.
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the...
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. It's a little loud here. Can you speak up, ma'am?
Get off welfare and get a job.
I'm sorry, I'm still, really deaf as a stone. Can you speak up, please?
Get off welfare and get a job.
Oh, Christ. I'll have to hand you over to my assistant manager here. Hold on 1 second. How may I help you?
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the...
I'm sorry, the ambulance is loud. Can you speak up, please?
Get off welfare and get a job. Oh, you know what? I'm sick of your crap.
Alright, let me forward you to my boss, please. Hold on. Hi, this is Harpo's. I can help you.
Get off welfare and get a job.
Oh, 1 second here. Hold on. Let me get my assistant manager on the phone here.
Lauren speaking.
Having something I call? Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language. Get off welfare and get a job.
No, I was actually just calling to propose, so I'm getting down on one knee.
Your mom is over here giving blowjobs.
I'm sorry, hello?
Your mom is over here giving blowjobs. Fuck you, ex-wife.
Okay, let me forward you to my business partner. Alright, hold on. Hi, what are you wearing?
This is Jenny's restaurant. Having something I call?
You know what? This music is blaring in my ears. If you can't speak up, I'm gonna have to hang up on you.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Can I call?
Hello?
Hello? Get off welfare and get a job.
What?
Get off welfare and get a job. Oh, you know what? I'm sick of your crap.
Cops?
Get off welfare and get a job. That's right.
What did you say?
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the...
Yeah, I'm hammered drunk. You're gonna have to speak up.
You're fucking retarded.
You what?
Having something I call?
You are at Harpo's.
You heard me? Fucking retarded.
You're at Harpo's now.
You're stupid. You're fucking retarded. Fuck you, ex-wife.
Hello?
Fuck you. No?
Hello?
You're fucking retarded.
Hello?
You heard me? Fucking retarded. Get off welfare and get a job.
Hello?
Oh, you know what? I'm sick of your crap.
Woo!
I want you to hear this. This is Jenny's restaurant.
Hello?
They called last night. They're just idiots.
Those idiots?
You're the asshole. Bitch.
Hello?
Having fun, asshole? What do you want? Get off welfare and get a job.
Are you looking for someone?
Get off welfare and get a job.
Who needs to go get a job?
Yeah? Get off welfare and get a job. You heard me? Fucking retarded.
Who needs to go up there and get a job?
You're fucking retarded, bitch.
You are.
Bitch.
You are.
Get off welfare and get a job.
You're a joke.
At least I got a job, bitch. I ain't on the welfare system having my mother support me.
You're a joke.
Asshole? Having fun, asshole? You're the asshole.
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh, you know what? I'm sick of your crap. I don't have time for you tonight. You heard me?
This lady is fucking crazy. Why? What's that? No, this lady is fucking crazy. Someone just called us on the payphone. Listen, this lady...
It's my friend, he knows the number.
No, it's an old lady. She's fine. And she's crazy. Maybe. Do you have a broken hip?
Hello?
No?
Hello?
Well, then why are you
guess
calling?
who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language.
Hello?
Get off welfare and get a job. Bitch.
Hello?
We know who you are.
Where are we at?
Oh, guess who it is? It's the hillbilly with the foul language.
Where are you at?
At least I got a job, bitch. I ain't on the Denny's restaurant having my mother support me. This is Denny's restaurant. Thank you for calling Denny's.
Denny's?
You heard
This
me?
is Denny's?
Bitch. Get off
Whoa,
welfare
why
and
did
get a
you want
job.
Harpo's?
Oh, you know what? I'm sick of your crap. At least I got a job, bitch. I ain't on the welfare system having my mother support me.
Your mother's divorced?
You're fucking retarded. Get off welfare and get a job.
What?
Get off welfare and get a job.
You need to I need to come up there and get a job?
Get off welfare and get a job. At least I got a job, bitch. I ain't on the welfare system having my mother support me.
Oh my god, you're fucking nuts.
Bitch.
Oh my god. What's that?
You're the asshole. Bitch.
You're an asshole. Don't you call me a bitch.
Fuck you. Fuck you, asshole.
She said fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Are you serious? You are rude and inconsiderate.
Oh, guess who it
I don't
is?
like
It's the
you.
hillbilly with the foul language.
Hey, can I ask you a question? Why do you keep calling a payphone on a Friday night at 1 o'clock in the morning? Please tell me that.
Get off welfare and get a job. Your mom is over here giving blowjobs.
This is on recording. Because it keeps going. Go get a job. It's totally recording. Yeah. You're recording. You're a fucking joke.
Fuck you. Your mom is over here giving blowjobs.